Using the original Hebrew name Yahushua maintain historical and cultural accuracy. Historical significance. Linguistic accuracy. Yahushua is the authentic Hebrew name, while Jesus is a Greek translation from Jesus. Cultural connection. Using Yahushua preserves the Abarim or Hebrew roots and context of the Messiah. Scriptural consistency. Hebrew scripture or Tanakh and Dead Sea Scroll uses Yahushua. Theological implication, divine meaning, Yahushua meaning Yahuwah saves or Yahuwah is salvation. Messiah identification. Yahushua emphasizes the Hebrew Messiah concept, distinction from pagan association. Yahushua differentiates the Abarim or Hebrew Messiah from Greek-Roman deity connection. Practical consideration. Respect for Hebrew heritage. Using Yahushua honor Abarim or Hebrew tradition. Clarity in scriptural studies. Distinguishes between Greek and Hebrew text. Interfaith dialogue. Enhances understanding between Abarim or Hebrew and Christian communities. Resources. The Hebrew Yahushua versus the Greek Jesus by Nehemiah Gordon, 2005. The Name of God, Yahuwah in Hebrew Scripture by George Buchanan, 2018. Jesus or Yahushua, Uncovering the Truth by Dr. Michael L. Brown, 2019. Sila!